the quick overview of what we're about to dive deeper into in the slides to come is as follows. So essentially, like I've already told you, the topic of our discussion is Mariners Church. And basically we will be investigating their values, the culture of the church, the history, what are the different surrounding environments that they're placed in, what are the leaders like, what are their goals, their mission, and we're going to be looking at all those things, and that's how we're going to kind of analyze their needs. In short, what we found that their strengths are in their leadership development, and their mission statement, and their strong and shared vision. So they have a real strong focus on growth and development. However, with that, the weakness is that as people are growing and as there's all these different things going on, there's actually a lot of dropout and burnout with the different internships and people who are getting mentored and different things, because it's just ultimately a lot of role confusion. It's growing so much that it's hard to focus on the individual needs of different leaders and their unique spots. And so there's a shared large vision, but on the micro level, some things are just getting lost in the shuffle. So that's what we wanted to focus on. And with our conclusion, we just noticed, strength is there's the shared values. People have a strong willingness to serve. However, there's just some sort of disconnect in the communication. So we're going to try to remedy that weakness. Our recommendations are basically a set of 11 ideas, 11 things that we want Kenton Bashore, the senior pastor, to implement. And obviously, we have ways to support him in doing that. We want other people to join in this change. But as you look later on our slide with the recommendations, we could see that basically we just want him to champion a personal leadership development plan. And so we really want to focus on individuals and their roles and their responsibilities and their growth, integrity, their sense of identity, all these things. And we are hoping that we can help nourish those things and grow them as an entire church culture. So that's going to be our recommendation, and I'll talk more in depth about that later. But then some of the limitations of our study are basically that we didn't really have any quantitative analysis or studies, and also not everyone in our group actually attended this church, so some of us had to do some research and learn some things. So we were able to find out a lot of information, but if there are any limitations, those are them. All right.